Did you know Russia is actually bigger than the entire surface of Pluto? Russia covers about 17 million square kilometers, while Pluto's surface area is only about 16.7 million square kilometers. So, if you could somehow wrap Russia around Pluto, it would cover more area than Pluto's entire surface. Mind-blowing, right? A country on Earth could cover a whole planet out there in space. Why do you feel like time goes faster as you age? Remember how endless summers felt as a kid? But now, years just fly by. Why does time seem to speed up as we get older? You're not crazy. It's science. Here's why. When you're 5 years old, 1 year is 20% of your life. It feels huge. At 50 years old, 1 year is only 2% of your life. It feels small. So, as we age, each year seems like a smaller slice of our overall timeline, making it feel shorter. The habituation and routine theory. This is arguably the most powerful scientific explanation. Our brains are designed to be efficient, not to record every single detail. Novelty creates dense memories. When you are a child, everything is new. Your first day of school, learning to ride a bike, your first kiss. Your brain is working hard to encode these fresh, significant memories. The more detailed memories you have of a period, the longer it feels in retrospect. As an adult, life becomes more routine. You take the same commute, work at the same job, and have familiar daily patterns. Your brain doesn't need to form strong new memories for these repetitive events. When you look back on a week, month, or year of routine, there are fewer memory markers, so it feels like it vanished quickly. Some scientists hypothesize that our internal pacemaker actually slows down as we age. When you're young, your dopamine system is more active, making time feel stretched. As you age, it slows down. Your internal clock ticks differently, and days feel shorter. Have you ever noticed the sun looks huge at sunset? It's not actually changing size, it's an illusion. This is an optical illusion called the moon illusion. Your brain compares the sun to objects on the horizon and interprets it as larger, like how a faraway train looks bigger when next to small objects. But if you take a photo or cover it with your finger, you'll see it's the same size as at noon. So the sun never grows, it's just your brain playing tricks on you. Think camels store water in their humps. Nope. That's one of the biggest myths in nature. A camel's hump is actually full of fat, not water. That fat is like an energy battery, helping camels survive long journeys without food. So, where's the water? It's stored in their bloodstream. Camels have super-efficient blood cells that can hold more water than most animals, letting them drink up to 40 gallons in one go and not pee it all out right away. So, camels aren't walking water tanks. Their secret is in their blood, not their humps. Fun fact, a thirsty camel can drink over 100 liters in just 10 minutes. Other surprising fact, their humps actually store fat, which they can break down into energy and even a little water when food is scarce. Have you ever noticed something strange? You almost never see dead ants lying around in the open. But why is that? Where do the dead ants go? Ants are social insects that live in huge communities called colonies. Every ant has a role, and together they work like a well-oiled machine. When one ant dies, it doesn't just get left behind. Instead, worker ants quickly carry the deceased ant's body out of the nest and deposit it in special ant cemeteries or refuse piles, places reserved specifically for waste and dead ants. This behavior is more than just cleanliness. It's a crucial survival tactic. Dead ants can carry harmful bacteria and fungi that might infect the entire colony if left inside. By removing dead bodies quickly, ants protect their home from disease outbreaks, making their tiny society incredibly resilient. Some ants even release special chemical signals when they die, alerting their colony mates to come and remove their body immediately.